Welcome to English Room e-learning. Today we are going to analyze the story The Snake and the Mirror, and we will check the message and the humor in the story and also the theme of the story. We are presenting a written form of the summary. If you want, you can write it down. The short story The Snake and the Mirror is written by the world-renowned Malayalam fiction writer Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. He was born in 1908 and died in 1994. He was a humanist, freedom fighter, novelist, and short story writer. He is known for his path-breaking, disarmingly down-to-earth style of writing. The Snake and the Mirror presents a contrast between dreams and reality. This contrast has been depicted in a humorous manner. That is, the young doctor has just started his practice, and so his earnings are meager. He lives in a small rented room, which is not electrified and is full of rats. He has only 60 rupees in his bag. He has few clothes. Still, his dreams and ambitions are contrast to this. The contrast between the kind of person he is and the kind of person he wants to be makes the story humorous. The fact that the snake also wishes to admire itself in the mirror, like the narrator, and leaves the narrator alone also creates humor. The fact that the thieves decamp the narrator's meager belongings, but a dirty vest is also funny. The story The Mirror and the Snake is a story within a story. In this story, the writer tells us a story which he himself heard from a homeopathic doctor. Furthermore, the story revolves around two aspects, the snake and the mirror. The story conveys the message that one should never be proud of one's beauty, strength, or achievements. The fear of death makes a person realize how futile the worldly achievements are. It is faith in God and modesty in thoughts which make a person strong. There is a great role played by the mirror in this story. Because of the mirror, the doctor escaped from that snake. If the snake does not saw the reflection in the mirror, the doctor's life would be finished by that snake. So I think the summary, the message, and the humor in the story and the analysis of the story is clear to you. We will be coming with the summary of other chapters also, inshallah. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.